Hello everybody. Today we will learn how to communicate between two classes. Here I have got one package. Say I'll give this package as name core Java. I'll give it name as core Java. So you can give it any name, but in my case I am giving it as core Java. So the package core Java is having two classes. Class 1 is mobile and the another class is my mobile. So here what I am trying to do, I am trying to communicate between these two classes. Now in the mobile class I have taken some instance variable. Those are mobile number, rate and their color, and some more instance variables are there. And one more thing I have done in this class, that I am trying to display everything whatever has been the variable, whatever with whatever value you have initialized your mobile number, rate and color, that will be displayed. And for this one actually I am not taking any method as separate specific one, rather I'll take to you there in the class. Now I'll take to you here. I have created two class. One is a mobile class, another one is a my mobile class. Mobile and my mobile. Mobile class is having all the information about the mobile, like its mobile number, manufacturer, operating system, rate, quantity, color, pixels and everything. And I have taken one default constructor in it to initialize my data members. Now I want to display it by using a method that is toString, and this is already made method in your object class. So I am not defining any specific method here to call it separately. So here I have used one annotation @override. So whatever has been written in toString there in object class, that will be changed or updated by this one. So when I will create object of this class, this will get initialized with the default constructor, and automatically when you will print it, automatically that object will be having some values. Those values will be displayed. Now second thing is coming up here in in communication. When I am trying to call it from this mobile class is being called from my mobile, so as both are in the same package, so how I am doing it, I am creating object of this mobile class in my mobile, and then I am displaying the information. So how I am doing here, you can see it. This is my mobile class, which I have already explained. Now let us go to one more. See, please keep in mind, this is core Java package. Inside this class is there. Another my mobile is there, again it is also in the core Java package. So I have created this class separately. Now I am creating object of that class, that mobile class, here in my mobile. And nice thing is I am creating object of this one. I am creating object of this one, means mobile. And as I'll create this object, see what amazing thing it's going to do. It will automatically call its a toString method. When you will run it, you will see the output. So this way Java will be able to, Java object class will be able to help you to display everything without creating any separate methods. So how to do communication between these two, because everything has been defined in mobile class, but it is able to display everything here. Now one more thing is here, we have defined so many methods in this class, like get model number, get manufacturer, all those, get quantity. If you want to display all those, even what you can do, you can, if you want to utilize those, so what you can do here, object you have already created, now you can take one variable. Say I will take one variable quantity, because we are using other class data members as well. So I'll use it like this, quantity. I'll put it here, int quantity, and then after this I will use method get quantity. get quantity and it is method of that class, so you need to call it by an object. So it has been done.